2 decades ago, the Honda Vtr850Rr Firestorm carved out a special place in sport bike history. Known for its muscular 996 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, the original Firestorm offered a unique blend of raw torque and mid-range power, packaged in a sleek and rider-friendly chassis. It served as a sport touring favorite that bridged the gap between aggressive performance and everyday usability, something Honda mastered in the late 90s and early 2000s. The Firestorm name has since lingered in the hearts of enthusiasts, many of whom hoped Honda would one day revive the platform with modern engineering. With increasing emphasis on electric integration and cleaner performance, the timing now seems perfect for Honda to inject new life into the Firestorm name, this time with a cutting-edge technological twist. Recently, Honda unveiled its newest engine innovation, a V3 configuration with an electric supercharger, a world first in the high-performance motorcycle segment. The V3 setup combines the compactness of a V-twin with the rev-happy nature of an inline-three, while the electric supercharger eliminates turbo lag and delivers instant torque across the rev range. This radical power plant has already made waves in testing, suggesting Honda is gearing up for a new era of hybridized performance motorcycles. According to insiders, the V3 electric supercharged engine has been designed with flexibility in mind, capable of adapting to both sport and touring platforms. It's compact, efficient, and promises class-leading acceleration without sacrificing emissions targets. If the rumors are true, this new motor will serve as the beating heart of Honda's next-generation supersport, the Vtr850Rr Firestorm E-Supercharged. Concept renders by Sayaldila Rizkia give us a striking preview of what this futuristic Firestorm could look like. Dressed in iconic HRC tricolor livery, the Vtr850Rr features sharp aerodynamic lines, winglets integrated into the front fairing, and a compact yet aggressive tail section. A digital cockpit with racing telemetry, programmable riding modes, and seamless electronic integration highlight the bike's modern ethos, while design nods to the original Firestorm maintain a sense of heritage. The concept also reveals a high-end chassis setup, including a Pro-Arm single-sided swing arm, Brembo brakes, and carbon fiber accents throughout. The massive sprocket and chain setup at the rear hint at serious torque delivery, while slick tires and a race-spec exhaust complete the bike's track-ready demeanor. This isn't just a tribute bike, it's a technological showcase. Though Honda has not officially confirmed the Vtr850Rr Firestorm E-Supercharged for production, the overwhelming response to the concept and the debut of the new V3 engine suggests that something big is brewing. If this motorcycle becomes a reality, it could mark the return of the Firestorm as not just a name from the past, but a blueprint for the future of high-performance motorcycling.